Looking for a study table on rent? Whether you're a student, working from home, or just setting up a room, is a rented table in decent condition? What sizes and options are available? Who handles repairs? And what happens when you need to move? Here's everything you need to know about study table on rent from Rentomojo in one video. Is renting a study table cheaper than buying one? A work desk can cost between 5,000 to 15,000 rupees upfront. And when you're in a rented apartment, moving every 1 to 2 years, buying a table means moving it or leaving it behind at a loss. With Rentomojo, you pay monthly, no upfront spend, and when you move, Rentomojo relocates it for free. Is a rented study table in good condition? Every study table on Rentomojo is refurbished, sanitized, and quality checked before delivery. Surface damage, loose joints, broken parts, anything like that gets repaired before the piece leaves the warehouse. You're not getting a damaged table that someone discarded. You're getting furniture that's been inspected and delivered in proper working conditions. What options are available? Rentomojo has study tables suited for different needs. Compact single-person desks for students and bedroom setups, and a larger workstation-style table for work-from-home professionals who need more surface area. Check the catalog to see what's available in your area. What's the minimum rental period? The minimum rental tenure starts from 3 months and plans can go up to 36 months. And after that, you can continue to rent on a monthly basis if needed. Need to return early? You pay 1 month's rent as an early closure fee. How much is the security deposit?
Yes, there is a security deposit and it's refundable.
Once you return the table in its original condition, you get the full amount back within 7 working days.
And if you opt for Mojo Secure, you get coverage for accidental damages, minor wear and tear, and unexpected incidents during use. This means your security deposit will be protected even if something goes wrong accidentally.
What if something gets scratched or the leg breaks? Minor damage up to 1,000 rupees is covered under Rentomojo's damage waiver. For anything that needs repair, raise a ticket on the app. A technician visits within 72 hours completely free of charge. You don't call car painters, you don't buy replacement parts. Just raise the ticket on the app. Is delivery and assembly included? Yes. Rentomojo delivers and assembles a study table at your home. No assembly frustrations, no tools required on your end. You get a table that's set up and ready to use when it arrives. What happens when your tenure ends? You can either choose to keep renting it monthly or return it. Rentomojo picks it up, inspects it, and your deposit comes back within 7 working days. No dismantling, no arranging transport, no selling a used table online. Can you upgrade to a larger desk? Yes. On a 24-month plan, you can upgrade for the different or a higher value piece. Started with a compact student desk and now need a full work-from-home workstation? That's a switch Rentomojo can handle. What if you move to another apartment or city? Rentomojo relocates your study table completely for free within the city or to another city where Rentomojo operates. Your subscription continues with the same plan and a new address. For a full home shift, Rentomojo also offers Mojo Move, a packers and movers service at affordable and competitive rates. So, to summarize, study table rentals are available at monthly rates. No upfront spend. Every table is refurbished, sanitized, and quality checked. Options are available for students and work from home professionals. Minimum rental tenure starts from 3 months and goes up to 36 months. Deposit is fully refundable. Minor damages are waived up to 1,000 rupees. Delivery and assembly are included. Upgrades are available on 24-month plans. Free relocation is available across cities, which is perfect for students, work from home professionals, and anyone in a city for short or medium term. So check out Rentomojo to get a study table or a work desk set up at your home without the upfront cost. Browse the catalog at rentomojo.com.